I'm Kayla Garcia, an electrical engineer at Utility Solutions. I'd like to introduce the newest addition to our trainer product line. This is the Underground Grounds Trainer, a personal protective grounding simulator. It offers the ability to illustrate hazards, concepts, and work methods one might encounter or implement when working in an underground circuit. The trainer board represents an underground circuit created by two riser poles you see here. This allows the user to create a radial circuit, an open loop, or a closed loop circuit. We also illustrate two transformers separated by a mid-span splice bit. This is to allow us to convey basic switching, EPZ, isolation, spiking a cable, and cable ID and verification. As an example, I will interact with two of the switches on the board to simulate a phase to neutral fault. The screen immediately reflects the results and demonstrates the hazards present when a phase to neutral fault is active. Being able to show these real-time results offers a unique and effective way to train line workers to be safe and smarter on the job.